1019 sums. Let us copy the question. In an AP, sixth term is sixth term is 1 more than twice the third term. 1 more than twice the third term. The sum of fourth and fifth terms, is 5 times the second term. Find the 10th term of AP. Find the 10th term of AP. Here some words are used. 1 more than, 5 more than, 3 more than means you have to add. Twice the term, 3 times the term, 5 times the term, you have to multiply by that number. More means you have to add, times means you have to multiply. You have to keep it in your mind. Now, sixth term is written as A6 is equal to 1 more than, add 1 to twice the third term. How do you write third term? A3. It's twice, 2 into A3. Therefore, A6 is equal to 2A3 plus 1. Wrote the first equation. Now let us write the second equation. Sum of fourth and fifth terms. How do you write fourth and fifth term? A4 and A5. Their sum plus in between is equal to 5 times 5 into second term, 5 into A2. One equation, A6 is equal to 2A3 plus 1. Second equation, A4 plus 5 is equal to 5A2. Then using n formula, write the values of n and substitute. A6 will become A plus 5D is equal to 2 into A plus 2D. Instead of one term, we are writing two terms. Therefore, we have to make use of bracket. 2 into A plus 2D plus 1. A plus 5D is equal to 2A plus 4D plus 1. When you shift A and D to the same side and keep the constant in one side, you will get A minus D is equal to minus 1. A minus D is equal to minus 1. Let it be equation 1. Continue. A4 will be written as A plus 3D. A5 will be written as A plus 4D. In between plus is equal to 5 into A plus D. A2 will be written as A plus D. It is 2 times A, therefore 2 into A. 3 plus 4 is 7, 7D. Here 5 into A plus 5 into D. 3A is equal to 2D or A is equal to 2 by 3 into D. A is equal to 2 by 3 into D. Let it be equation 2. Now we are substituting the value of a in one equation. Substitute a is equal to 2 by 3 d in a minus d is equal to minus 1. In place of a, 2 by 3d minus d is equal to minus 1. Only first term has a denominator. To eliminate the denominator, either we can go on multiply by denominator or write d denominator 1, then take the LCM of 3 and 1 and then add. Multiplying by 3 is easiest, therefore we will multiply by 3. Every term must be multiplied by 3. 2 by 3d into 3 minus 3 into d is equal to minus 1 into 3. 3 gets cancels. 2d minus 3d is minus d is equal to minus 3. D is equal to 3. Two d minus 3d is equal to minus 3. Minus d is equal to minus 3. D is equal to 3. Then as we know, a is equal to 2 by 3d. 2 by 3 into d value how much? 3. 3 cancels. A is equal to 2. How much we got for d? 3. What is the answer for a? 2. Next we have to find the 10th term. A10 is equal to a plus 9d. A value 2, d value 3. Substitute. You will get 2 plus 9 into 3. 2 plus 27 is equal to how much? 29. Now, April 2019 question. Questions from April 2019. Fifth question. If nth term of an AP is nth term of an AP is AN is equal to 24 minus 3n. AN is equal to 24 minus 3n. Then its second term is I hope all of you can do it quickly. Substitution everyone understood. A2 is equal to 24 minus 3 into 2. 24 minus 6 how much? 18. Everyone completed? Next sum, sixth sum. Find the sum of 20 terms of 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus so on. 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus so on using formula. What are given, right? A is equal to 2. D is equal to 7 minus 2. How much? 5. How many terms? 20. What you have to find? Sum of 20 terms. S20 is equal to how much? A is equal to 2. D is equal to 5. N is equal to 20. S20 is equal to how much? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You should by heart the formula. You should practice writing it quickly. S20 is equal to 20 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus 20 minus 1 into 5. 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 5s are how much? 95. 2 2s are 4. 95 plus 4, 99. 99 into 10, 990. Therefore, sum of 20 terms is how much? 990. 990. This much is sufficient today. Let us recall what we have studied in today's class. First, question paper sum. An is equal to 2n plus 1. Find d. It is easy if you substitute in first term and second term. Difference is 2. Next, sum of 10 terms. A is 5, D is 3, N is 10, S10 is how much? S10 is equal to 2 into 5 plus 10 minus 1 into 3, 5 into 37, how much? 185. Next sum, there are 5 terms in an AP. Sum of these terms is 55. S5 is equal to 55. Fourth term is 5 more than sum of the first 2 terms. First 2 terms are A1 and A2. 5 more means plus 5. Write AP, A1, A2, A3, so on, how much? Sum of 5 terms is A plus D plus A plus 2D plus A plus 3D plus A plus 4D. Since D is not known, A is not known, we should write the sum as like this, is equal to 55. When we simplify, we will get first equation A plus 2D is equal to 11. Use the second equation, A4 is equal to A1 plus A2 plus 5. When we simplify, we will get A minus 2D is equal to minus 5. When we solve both the equations, we will get D value 4. Substitute in any equation, we will get A value 3. Therefore, AP 3, 7, 11, 14 and so on. In the same way, we solved 2 more sums. Go through the sums, work out them again and again. Try to collect previous years preparatory papers, annual papers, midterm papers and try to solve those questions. Now you saw no, any of the question comes from textbook. These are all annual paper question papers. So you should practice for such type of questions. When you practice more and more sums, you will get the relation quickly. You can solve it easily. All of you are able to solve it. Practice makes everyone perfect. Will you practice? Yes, isn't it? Yes, that's enough for today. We will meet you in tomorrow's class. Till then, bye.